Hi there, students. Lewd, an adjective. Lewdly, the adverb. Lewdness, the noun of the quality. Okay, if you describe something as lewd, you describe it as obviously sexual and rude. So it could be of the way somebody talks. They tell really crude and obvious sexual jokes that are not very clever. Or lewd dress, where you you show off you look very sexy, but in a crude and obvious way, not subtle. So a lewd suggestion. Yeah, lascivious is a good synonym of lewd. So lewd behaviour, it's conduct that's considered crude, offensive, against the moral standards or the appropriate behaviour in a certain place. So what is lewd in one place is not necessarily lewd in another. Yeah, I think there's clearly a difference to what is accepted or acceptable in each country and in each place. Okay, so lewd, preoccupied with sex, obscene and indecent. Yeah. So indecent language is lewd language. Indecent behaviour is lewd. He looked at the girls lewdly. Okay, so but lewd is very negative. Yeah, he spends all day eyeing up the women and making lewd comments. Indecent, obscene, vulgar. Yeah, smutty. Yeah. Unacceptable and rude, offensive to the normal accepted standards of decency. A lewd song, a lewd story, a lewd suggestion. Okay, so sexual, but in an obvious and socially unacceptable way. Yeah. Okay, so it's very crude, it's very offensive, it's vulgar, it's smutty, it's obscene. Yeah, it's definitely vulgar, and that's the idea. So if you describe somebody's behavior as lewd, you're criticizing it. You're saying it's rude and sexual and unpleasant. Yeah. Okay, so making lewd comments that make people feel uncomfortable. They are indecent. Yeah, there is obscenity, impurity, and vulgarity linked with this. Okay, so lewd, something that's intended to excite, but in an offensive way. In something that it's not very subtle, it's not very clever. Yeah, it's very in your face and very crude and very rude. Yeah, so it incites lust or lechery. It's obscene or it's indecent. Okay, so let's see. Formality. Lewd behaviour. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use it informally, use it semi-formally, use it formally, so you can use it anywhere. And then as to origin, there's an Old English word, Lewd, meaning ignorant or lay, not of the church. Comes from the verb lewan, to reveal or to expose somebody as being ignorant or clueless. Yeah, it's linked to this word lay, as in a layman. Yeah, so Proto-Germanic leujana, to betray. Okay, and that's the idea. Okay, so probably from Latin, laicus, of the people, and ancient Greek laikos, yeah, so of the people. So lewd, rude, crude, lascivious, promiscuous, vulgar, rude, sexually suggestive, yeah. But it doesn't necessarily involve complete nudity, but it's something that's rather obscene. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lewd, lewdly, lewdness.